Protect against needle stick injuries with a needle-free alternative. Patient and clinician safety starts with smart design, like Monoject SmarTip Vial Access Cannula from Cardinal Health. With no needle, our plastic SmarTip cannula is designed to avoid needle sticks. It's also engineered for efficiency with a 16-gauge equivalent flow rate, and dual eyelets to draw up even the most viscous medication from a vial easily and without waste. Plus, SmarTip Vial Access Cannula keeps patients safe by piercing the vial instead of puncturing it to eliminate any coring and particulate matter. Developed to replace a variety of med prep needles with little training, SmarTip Vial Access Cannula is the needle-free solution that's superior by design.